This is Joyce.
Hey everyone, Jordan here.
大家好，我们今天来到南投的唯心圣教学院，这里有着全世界最大的鬼谷子塑像。那 Jordan， 你刚刚在里面看到了些什么呢？
A lot. There's elevators, flags I don't know about, and rooms and tapestries. I just can't fit it all in one sentence.
Wait. 你刚去到了什么地方呢？是学校的部分吗？
对, I went over there to the school area, and I heard in Taiwan as well as Japan and some other countries, they play that old tune to signify the change of the school periods. So what did you see while you were here?
因为我都是 focus on 在主体的部分，因为其实这里呢不是我们平常所拍的寺庙，但是呢这里因为这么大的鬼谷子塑像吸引了我来这边，所以我就是用空拍机跟手机在这边捕捉每一个我可以捕捉到的地方。
有一些次我听到他的空拍机。
对啊，那等一下我们慢慢的来品味这边的美吧。Idealist Academy is the founding suzerain of idealistic sacred teaching. After practicing religious lifelong education for more than 30 years, Zen Master XueYuan volunteered to establish a university. Zen Master XueYuan gave a lecture. The root, fate, karma, and the retribution of the achievement of the idealist academy of holy education. Root causes are restlessness. Fate and karma are the process and the presentation of everything. Karma has happiness, anger, sorrow, and joy. In the end, punishment has both. One is trouble, and the other is peace in the world.
The purpose of establishing the Idealist Academy, we must first start with the basic desires, motivations of people. That is, the minds of all beings are uneasy, and the minds of all beings are equal. That is, everyone's family, life, and career are equal. Why is life not smooth? Such is the case for us all, regardless of the princes, generals, masters, and pawns. Desire is a problem with feng shui. So, if you are not at peace, you will be restless. If you are in an uneasy environment every day, our spirit, our life, will be affected by changes in the environment. The purpose here is to cultivate talents and accumulate talents, invigorate people, and cultivate virtues, exalting their aspirations and bringing peace to the world. This is the strength and ultimate goal of our school. But for 5,000 years, no one wants to develop in this direction. These four principles are the highest goals of the school. This school aims to cultivate morally competent men and women for the whole world. Therefore, it is necessary to educate and be brought up in the Book of Changes. This is the course of instruction for many countries. Unwillingness to offer wisdom, hence the scramble for so much abduction. The school has been the foundation of the Chinese nation for 5,000 years.
The highest degree in the educational system. It is to represent the educational system of the Republic of China to erect an educational beacon in the world. The erection of this lighthouse is the beginning of world peace.
Hello everyone, Jordan here. 你怎么称呼？
阿伟。
阿伟。Hello, I'm Jordan. 你有很多的损失 ，but 这边你要来这边为什么？有什么特色？
感觉还不错，然后新奇，没有来过。
好，
蛮特殊的一个地方。
你在网络discover 发现这边吗？
对，新闻有报道过。
新闻我的 YouTube 伙伴那个飞空那个 drone 的人，他告诉我，OK， 好，我们可以来。我本来觉得很大，我到这边Oh my gosh！
对。
对观众有什么要说什么？
这个地方很棒，可以来。
好，
很特别。
对，
在台湾有很少这种地方。
对，你从哪里城市？
我彰化。
好 ，cool. Hello everyone, welcome to another installment of me talking about the temples. So, this temple does have a lot of stairs, but everything is paced out. So we're good on that front. Now, I talked to a Taiwanese person about this particular deity, and they said that he also was a mathematician in real life. And so I feel cool about that, because while I'm not very good at math, I very much love the challenge and am an aspiring mathematician. So I thought it was really inspiring whenever I meet deities like Wen Chong and this one, who represent academics and other interests that I have. So here we are coming into the university, talking about academics, right? You might be able to see your flag on here. Let's see how our zoom works. How's the zoom working? Comment down below with emojis which flags you see. Let's see who can put the most flags and most accurate flags in the comments.